Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video, we will be doing next topic of our chapter 5, which is arithmetic progression. In the last video, we have studied what is sequence, which is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order as per rule. And now student, an arithmetic progression is also a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term, which means that our first term remains the same. And this fixed number is known as common difference of the AP. And the common difference of an AP can be negative, positive or 0. So let us consider a sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN is called an arithmetic progression. If there exists a constant number D such that A2 is equal to A1 plus D. So from here D is equal to A2 minus A1. And similarly A3 is equal to A2 plus D. So from here D is equal to A3 minus A2 and A4 is equal to A3 plus D. So from here D is equal to A4 minus A3. So in general way we can write it as AN is equal to AN minus 1 plus D. So from here we have find out the value of common difference, which is that if our sequence is A1, A2, A3 and so on AN, and we know that after AN the next term will be AN plus 1 is an AP with common difference D. Therefore our common difference from here is equal to AN plus 1 minus of AN for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to n. So student, in arithmetic progression, if the first term is A and common difference is D, then as per our sequence which is A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, we know that our first term remains the same. So A1 is equal to A and now second term is A2, which is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, where fixed number is common difference D. So our second term A2 is equal to A plus D, and similarly student A3 is equal to A plus 2D and A4 is equal to A plus 3D, and this sequence is an arithmetic progression. And now we will study general term of an AP, or we can say nth term of an AP. So to understand this, let us consider a sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN be the given arithmetic progression, where A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. So as we know that first term remains the same. So therefore A1 is equal to A and second term which is A2 is equal to A plus D, and similarly A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So in general way we can write our LHS as AN, and this AN is equal to A plus, see the series very carefully student, initially it is 0 then 1 then 2. So in general way we can write n minus 1 into D. So general term of an AP is AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term, D is the common difference and n is the number of terms. And now practice this question, mention on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.